How to change your name on PayPal. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets PayPal tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on PayPal, and I'll show you how to do this both on a desktop in the browser or on your phone in the browser, because it's not very easy to do it in the app on your phone. So to get started with changing your name on PayPal, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings, and on the desktop browser, we can do that by logging in to paypal.com and then going up into the top right and selecting the gear right here. Once you select the gear under your account, you'll see profile where it says change name. Go ahead and select that. Now, if you're trying to change your PayPal name on your phone, you're going to want to open the browser on your phone, navigate to paypal.com and log in. When you get to this screen where it says open in the app, go ahead and select not now. And then once you're logged in, select the three bars in the top left. And in the new menu that opens up, select the gear at the top right of the menu. This will bring you to the same location as the desktop where you can select change name. Once you get to this page, you can enter your new desired name. So I'm just going to remove the S as an example. I'll select continue. Once you do that, it'll ask you why you're changing your name. Is it because your legal name changed for a marriage or divorce, or you're updating your name to be your full name rather than a nickname? So select what it is, and then keep in mind you will have to submit documentation proving that that is your legal name. And the documents that they allow you to do that are going to be a government issued ID, bank statement, utility bill, things like that. So have those documents ready if you intend to change your name. All right, so that's how you change your PayPal name. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more PayPal tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.